Hey guys, so today we're going to show you how to make a thumbnail without having to show your face in it, only using two apps, Pixar and Pinterest. Go ahead and open Pinterest and search up whatever your video is about. Mine is about going to the beach, so I searched up summer beach aesthetic, anything like that. If yours is about going shopping, search up like some clothes, the mall, anything, and just save some pictures. To save your pictures, just press on those three little buttons up there and download image. Now go ahead and open Pixar and choose whatever canvas you want. I choose the 3840 x 2160. You can choose whatever one you prefer, but this is the one that suits me best. Now press add photo and choose all the pictures you want in your thumbnail. Here I just lowered the opacity. Select all your pictures. To give it this 3D effect, I add a shadow, and you just press on your picture and there's going to be a little button down there to add a shadow. Type in whatever your video is about. Of course, mine is about going to the beach, which means summer, so I wrote summer. You can choose whatever font you want. I like the another hand one. Just find it super aesthetic and cute. Also, choose whatever color you want. Press stroke if you want an outline on your letters. Try finding a sticker that resembles what your video is about. I took a screenshot because I wanted to add an effect and they wouldn't let me unless I paid money. The effect I wanted to use is the blur one, but of course you guys can use whatever one you want. I like to choose lens blur, but you guys can choose whatever one you want. You can also choose the amount of blur you want. Take a screenshot and you're done.
Yeah, I've been feeling so